Newsflash, Hyperia won't be opening this Thursday at Thorpe Park. 3 minutes ago, the park revealed that Hyperia, despite their best efforts, won't be able to open before Saturday, the 8th of June. So that's not just this week, it's also next week that Hyperia will be unavailable at the resort. They said that they will continue to provide all the latest updates on their social media and website pages for all guests, and they're sorry for the disappointment that they know this has caused. But there we go. There's solid confirmation that Hyperia will remain closed. I'm absolutely gutted. I'm so gutted that I won't be able to ride it this half term. Unfortunately, I probably won't be able to make it to the park next Saturday if it does reopen on that day. So I'm going to have to wait for quite a while to actually get a ride on Hyperia. I'm gutted. But you know what? It's a new ride. It's a new coaster. You've got to give it time. It's the tallest in the UK. And I understand that safety will always be the top priority of a theme park. But I just can't believe it. I'm so gutted that it won't be able to open on Thursday. And if you did say that it wouldn't be open before Thursday, you've got it right. Fair play to you. You've predicted the future. I can't believe it. That I'm sitting here saying this, to be honest. I'm smiling through the pain right now, but it is what it is at the end of the day, you know. You're pretty lucky if you got on it on opening day. I mean, this coaster's been open 1.5 days, but of course, it's Mack Rides. They're going to deal with it and get this thing open, hopefully reliable for the rest of the season. The main priority, I think, for Thorpe Park now is getting this thing open and reliable for summer, because I think a lot of people will be planning their trips now for the summer holidays, getting ready. May, June, July-ish time is when a lot of school trips happen at Thorpe Park as well. So I think the main priority will be getting this open as early in June as possible, because the schools break up, like early July time? So it's getting this open and getting it reliable, running every day now. I've still got fast tracks, so I'll still hold on to them and use it whenever this thing does open. But yeah, I can't believe it. I'm gutted, I really am. I know Thorpe Park are doing everything that they can. They've probably got all resources on it right now. But yeah, there we go. Hyperia won't be opening this Thursday. Can't believe it. For anyone out there, and I know there is people out there that have had loads of comments saying they yet to ride it and they can't wait to ride it, and hopefully it opens on Thursday. I got many comments of people going on Thursday. I feel your pain, I really do. I'm gutted for you. If you book tickets, contact the park. I'm sure they'll be able to sort something out for you. But yeah, it's really sad. But the best thing is that Thorpe Park hopefully are working, putting all resources in this to get Hyperia open once again. But gutted, won't be opening on Thursday. This picture was taken of the lift hill actually yesterday, and you can see engineers working on the lift hill to repair it. Apparently a new ride part has actually arrived at the park and is in the process of being installed, but unfortunately it's not quick enough and it won't open. This is it, you know. I'm sure after this ride part is installed, there's just so much to do afterwards. It's not just getting this part in place, they've got to test it again and everything. I think there's a lot of things that have to take place behind the scenes that we don't see, and we've just got to wait. It's a waiting game for Hyperia at the minute. I mean, I've been waiting to ride this coaster for ages, and now I'm waiting even longer. The anticipation is building. Hyperia has got to live up to the hype. But there you go, there's the latest Hyperia update. It won't be opening Thursday. I cannot believe it. But yeah, it is what it is. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. When do you think Hyperia will open? Now that the date has been pushed back, do you think it'll be able to open on Saturday the 8th of June? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And with all that said, I'll see you in the next Hyperia update. Bye.